with another video. And today is on Taco Tuesday, yes sir. But it's raining. So right now we're pulling up. Let's see who's here right now. Keep the new gloves. They're so clean, man. Oh man, this is a little scary. Let's see who's here. I doubt anybody really is gonna be here because of the rain, but we'll see. Let's see who's here. Let's see who's here. Let's do a little loop. We got a good amount of bikes here. I didn't think that many people were gonna pop out because of the rain, but it's okay. What's that? A little bit, a little sprinkle, but nothing crazy. This is my jacket. This is my jacket. Yo, what up, dude? What up? Huh? I gotta put my helmet on around you now. Yeah, bro. What's up, dude, what happened, bro? You're supposed to pop out with us on Sunday.
Yeah, I woke up at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, dude. Damn.
How was it? You had a good time?
Bro, wait till you see the video tomorrow, bro.
Right.
So fire, so fire. We got all the bikes out here. That bike looks like it's leaking a little bit of coolant, but whatever. Got everybody else out here. We're about to go ride to the other Taco Tuesday spot so we can see what's going on. We just put this little carbon fiber thing on there too. Big money shit. It's like it was $40 on Amazon. Let's see what this ride entails today. So man, this past Miami trip makes me really want to go full send on the S1K. But I don't know, I'm debating because it's like I really want to build one of these like the Gsxr 1K, the 2017 plus. But at the same time, I already got the S1K stretched out. It's already, you know, lowered, everything like that. So it just makes me want to go full send on the S1K because it's already like halfway there, kinda, a little bit there. It's got a good head start there, but I don't know, man. I'm just thinking because I want to do like the you know, the weight reduction mods, so like do the front rotor, do a bunch of weight reduction. Because what I noticed is all of those bikes out there in Miami, all of them are stupid light, and it's insane. Because I picked up my bike and I was like way heavier than everyone else, and you know, it just makes me like, I don't know, it just motivates me to be trying to be more of like a fast guy. Because I was like kind of one of the slow guys out there, you know. So it like pushes me to like mod the bike a little bit, try and catch up, and you know, see if I can keep up the next time I go out there, which most likely that's what I'm gonna do because I like the competition and I think it's a lot of fun to try and keep up, you know, especially because the bike's not even tuned yet. So imagine once I get it tuned and do the more mods to it, bro, it's gonna be insane. Y'all just make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for that. Right there. I barely put any gas in it, like spun the tire. I'll just take take these a little slow. I'm in no rush. Maybe if I wasn't stretched out and had traction, I would do it. What is going on? It's very, very wet out today.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Whatever. I don't know. Oh, look, he's doing a wheelie. A bump and I blew out the drain plug, so I had to get a new one. So besides that, the whole process of switching it over was awesome, because it just runs a lot better with, like, a lot cooler really with the engine ice. dry area right here. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but all I gotta do, I just stay inside the dry line and I'm good. Look, somebody got a brand new Gsxr on the back of that thing. So now we pull up very, very slowly with the most aura. Let's see here. The 2026 M1000 is here also, so we definitely gotta check it out again, even though I see it every time. Bombo glass.